Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long do Monzo checks take. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to cash a check quickly? Maybe you're short on cash for rent or bills, or you're trying to buy something that you can't afford to wait for. If so, you know how frustrating it can be to have to wait days or even weeks for your check to clear. Monzo is a new type of bank account that's designed to make your life easier. One of the benefits of using Monzo is that your checks clear much faster than with traditional banks. In fact, Monzo checks typically clear within 24 hours. So, how long do Monzo checks take? The answer is, it depends. There are a few factors that can affect how long it takes for your Monzo check to clear. The type of check: if you're depositing a personal check, it will typically clear within 24 hours. However, if you're depositing a business check, it may take up to 3 days. The bank that issued the check: some banks process checks faster than others. If you're depositing a check from a bank that's not Monzo, it may take longer for the check to clear. The time of day that you deposit the check: if you deposit your check early in the day, it will typically clear faster than if you deposit it later in the day. The weekend: if you deposit your check on a weekend, it will typically take longer for the check to clear. Here are some tips for getting your Monzo check to clear as quickly as possible. Deposit your check as early in the day as possible. Deposit your check on a weekday. Avoid depositing checks on weekends or holidays. Use a check from a bank that's known for processing checks quickly. Monzo checks typically clear within 24 hours, which is much faster than with traditional banks. If you're looking for a bank that can help you get your money quickly, Monzo is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.